Right, people. Solid 27, 28, and there you go. It's another silver coin. Oh my goodness, no way. Okay, people, another nickel signal, and gave me some hard time, even though it was basically on the surface. But this is going to be another. And just next to the Tootsie car, I found a Wheatie. It's a nice Wheatie, but I don't know, the date is too full of dirt for me to tell, but when I clean it out, I will show it, okay? Woohoo! Tootsie Wheatie. Let's see if I can find more silver. Another Wheatie. Just next to the other Wheatie. Tootsie Wheatie Wheatie. Woohoo! Very nice. Another Wheatie. 3 Wheaties. Same area. Need to keep working in this area, but very slowly. So Tommy's calling me again.
Got an Indian.
Seems to me that he found something good.
It's an Indian. If I was you, I'd found this area. There's going to be coins. They just found some wheat pennies, but yeah, nice green Indian.
Here you go. Look at that, this beautiful greenie. Oh my God. I gotta move to this area to see if I get lucky. Woo!
It's going to go low and slow. Yeah.
All right. Right, people. Solid 27, 28, and there you go. It's another silver coin. Woohoo! Let's see what this is. All right, it's another Merc. It's another beautiful Merc. Woo! Wow! It looks in good condition as well. I'm telling you, the Equinox has no rival. Very nice. Let's see what year this is. Bear with me for a minute. Oh, look at this. It's a 1943. 1943 beautiful mercury dime. There you go, people. Really deep down there. Another Wheatie. There you go. 4 Wheaties. Let's see if we can find more silver. I am here working in the same area, taking it easy, removing all the trash. That way, then you can find the treasure. So people are getting another signal saying hold right here. See if we can retrieve it together. Oh, there's another penny. And it's gonna be another Wheatie. The two were together. So Wheatie number 5. Woohoo! So the Wheatie with company. Let's see if the company next time is gonna be silver. This is crazy, people. I still have another signal, but I also have these fire ants here. I don't want them to bite me. It's right here. Let me see if I can retrieve it without disturbing our friends. I don't want to get them upset. Okay, here it is. It's another penny. Another Wheatie. The three amigos. Okay, people, another nickel signal, and gave me some hard time, even though it was basically on the surface. But this is gonna be another buffalo. This is gonna be another buffalo. Look, you can clearly see the buffalo. Then the Indian head on the other side. Woohoo! Second buffalo this year in this same location. This is amazing. Let's see if I can see a date on this one. I get back to you. But this is a beautiful, beautiful buffalo nickel. Okay, people, another Wheatie right here. Another one. Wheatie again. Another wheat cent. This is like what, like number 7 right now? All right, let's keep going. This has turned into a vivid park. The weather is so good that you see all the people is out today. They are enjoying the good weather. What we're getting for the week is cold weather, even snow. So let's keep going here. Woo! Wheatie, like number 8, I believe. A lot of Wheaties here in this park. Okay, people, 12, 13. I thought it was a nickel, but it was this little thing. I don't know what it is, but it has like a 2, 3, like an hexagonal form, and then it has like a figure in the center, but I cannot figure it out well. So I will clean it out and show it to you. I don't know what this is. Nothing really relevant, but well, kind of cool. Let's keep going. Alright, people, this is what I found here. It was another 12, 13. Now, what is this? Seemingly old. These are like one of those money clips. I have no idea. If you know what this is, leave a comment down there, because I don't know. I have no idea what this is. Alright, My people, just next to that weird thing that appeared to be like a money clip or something like that, I found yet another wheat cent. So what I'm doing here is that I'm removing all the trash that I find in the surface, or even 1-2 inches down, so that it clears out for the good things like this. Right, another wheat penny. This is like probably, I don't know, like 11 or 12 that I found today. But I'm very grateful because this place keep giving me. Okay, my people, this is another 12, 13. Not a nickel, but you need to help me out with this, because I know that I have seen this before, but I don't know the name of this. But it seems to me that this is to grab something, and it has some writing in here. You know what this is. So leave a comment down there. Nice. Very nice. Alright, so another wheat penny. Wheatie. Another Wheatie. Okay, people, guess what I found? You cannot even guess. Another Wheatie. Wheatie Park. Ooh. Okay, people, is this yet another wheat cent? It was a 2021. I see it that is green, but it could be a memorial. Oh my goodness. No way. No way.
What'd you find?
This is an Indian head. Indian head penny. I wasn't expecting this here. Oh my God. Is this an Indian head? Yes, it is. No wonder it came out so green. Wow! Woo! Beautiful Indian head. No way. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. Yes, it is. It was a 20. It was basically right there in the surface. No way. An Indian head here. I was expecting this in the river. 18, 19, 20 on the equinox. And I have another coin. This is kind of green. And Can't tell what it is. Okay, so it's an Indian head. Woohoo! A beautiful Indian head. Woohoo! Beautiful. Cannot beat up, but still an excellent find. This is probably the find of the day because I wasn't expecting to find an Indian head penny here in this park. Woohoo! Very nice. Although in bad shape, this Indian head was an unexpected discovery in that park. It will make me revisit all of the 1920 signals that I left behind, believing that they were zinc pennies. I got work to do. Stay tuned. Okay people, so this is gonna be the last coin of the day. Seems to me that this is another Wheatie. Yes, yet another Wheatie. And the reason I had to depart is because my Equinox died on me. What? Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. Oh. Well, it has been a great day here at the park again. Many more treasures to find here. It's a matter of being patient and look everywhere, and you are gonna get them. All right, so this is probably the end of the hunt for today, and I'm also tired and hungry. There you go. There's another find here on the surface. This is probably part of a bicycle chain. Another find. Look at that on the surface. I'm gonna keep this as well. All right people, I'll see you the next time. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay people, so these are the finds for the day. It was a great day metal detecting at my park. I call it my park. I found this nice Tootsie car, probably from the 1940s. This car, it wasn't a Volkswagen as I thought originally. Okay, there you go. A beautiful Tootsie. It's my first that I find in pristine conditions. Well, you know, if you can call this pristine, or at least it's whole. And this is a nice fashion pendant. There you go. I found also an aluminum Indian ring. This is, I believe, the link to an old bicycle. This is, I believe, it's a suspender clip, but I'm not sure. You let me know, okay, in the comments. I believe that's what it is. And a nice mushroom pendant. It has some letters on the back. I'm gonna find out later on. I don't know what this is, but it also has some figurine. There you go. I don't know. Doesn't. Then I found this other ring, but I don't know. This is not a ring that you can use. This is probably something else, and I have no idea. There you go. And then the nice Merc, beautiful, nice Merc. I found another buffalo nickel, beautiful. Then the surprise of the day, this Indian head. I need to clean it up to find out the date of it, but it was surprising. This is probably the find of the day, along with the Merc and the buffalo. And then 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 with pennies. This is a record. but I have found so many wheat pennies in this park. Alright people, so this is it for now. Until the next one, wish me luck.